We are living in a world full of beta males that are trying their hardest, or worse, not even trying at all, in their pathetic attempts to attract women. Many young men are virgins even in their 30s. This is insane and unprecedented in human history. I will teach you techniques to make yourself more appealing, confident and attractive, and most important, I will teach you to stop being a beta simp, so stick around until the very end because what I am about to disclose will change your life. Hey there, fellas. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about self-improvement and boosting confidence. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often discussed in the context of dating and relationships, how to unleash your inner alpha and attract the ladies. But remember, it's not about being someone you're not, it's about becoming the best version of yourself. So, let's get started. The first and most crucial step to attracting women is self-confidence. Believe in yourself, your abilities, and your worth. Confidence is like a magnetic force that draws people in. So, how can you boost your self-confidence? The first thing you need to do is self-improvement. Regular exercise not only enhances your physical health but also releases endorphins, which improve your mood and self-esteem. Find a fitness routine that you enjoy, whether it's hitting the gym, going for a run, or practicing yoga. Learning new skills is not only intellectually stimulating but also showcases your ability to adapt and grow. Consider taking up a hobby or acquiring skills related to your interests and passions. Passion is incredibly attractive. Engage in activities that genuinely interest you. When you're passionate about something, it's bound to make you more interesting and appealing to others. Your inner dialogue has a significant impact on your self-confidence. It's essential to cultivate a positive mindset. Whenever self-doubt or negativity creeps in, challenge those thoughts. Ask yourself if they're based on facts or irrational fears. Incorporate positive affirmations into your daily routine. Remind yourself of your strengths, achievements, and qualities that make you unique. Cultivate gratitude by acknowledging the positive aspects of your life. This practice can shift your focus away from insecurities. It is also very important to maintain your physical appearance. This is key when overcoming being a beta male. Hygiene. Maintain good personal hygiene. Regular showers, dental care, and keeping your nails tidy are simple but effective steps. Dress well. Your clothing choices reflect your personality. Find a style that aligns with your identity and makes you feel comfortable and confident. Confidence in your style. Regardless of current fashion trends, the key is feeling confident in what you wear. When you feel good in your clothes, it shows. Now that you have boosted your self-confidence, it's time to improve your communication skills. The way you communicate plays a significant role in attracting women. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Practice active listening to establish a deeper connection. Show genuine interest in what she has to say. Ask open-ended questions and actively listen to her responses. This not only makes her feel valued but also leads to more meaningful conversations. Try to understand her perspective and emotions. Empathizing with her experiences fosters a sense of connection and trust. Your body language can communicate volumes about your confidence and interest. Maintain good posture to convey self-assuredness. Stand tall, sit up straight, and avoid slouching. Make eye contact when you're engaged in conversation. It demonstrates confidence and attentiveness. Use open and confident gestures that mirror your words. Avoid crossing your arms, which can be perceived as defensive. Finally, it is a good addition in your arsenal to have a good humor. You don't need to be a joker, simply relax and be yourself. Share laughter. Don't be afraid to share laughter and enjoy light-hearted moments. A shared laugh can create a sense of connection and ease any tension. Light teasing, playful teasing, when done with respect, can be a fun way to create rapport. Be mindful not to overdo it or offend. Remember, effective communication is a two-way street. While these skills can help attract women, they also contribute to building meaningful connections based on respect and understanding. Attracting women isn't just about making yourself appealing, it's about treating them with respect and empathy. Remember, we are not trying to turn you into a jerk or a creep, you just need to stop being a beta simp. Respect her boundaries and personal space. Show understanding when it comes to her boundaries. Everyone has their comfort zones, and it's crucial to acknowledge and respect them. Consent is paramount. Always seek clear and enthusiastic consent in any situation. It's a fundamental aspect of any healthy relationship. There are universal values and don't apply just to women. Foster deeper connections through empathy. Approach situations with compassion. Try to understand her perspective, feelings, and experiences. When she feels heard and valued, the connection will grow stronger. Actively listen when she talks about her experiences, dreams, and concerns. Offering empathy can create a safe and supportive space. Authenticity is the key to attracting the right person. Ultimately, just be yourself. Authenticity is incredibly attractive. Pretending to be someone you're not may work temporarily, but it's not a sustainable approach. Being genuine allows you to form connections with people who appreciate you for who you truly are. Remember, the foundation of any successful relationship, whether it's for casual dating or something more serious, is built on mutual respect, empathy, and authenticity. So now that you know how to attract women, it's time to teach you to stop being a beta male. Having a life outside of dating is incredibly attractive. Pursue your passions and interests passionately. Don't just focus on women, focus instead on building yourself to the best version you can be. Engage in activities you love. When you're passionate about your hobbies and interests, that enthusiasm shines through. It not only makes you more interesting to be around but also boosts your confidence. Sharing your passions with someone can create a deeper connection. Setting and actively pursuing your goals is an essential aspect of becoming a more attractive individual. When you have well-defined goals and are actively working towards them, it showcases your motivation and drive in life. This drive is incredibly appealing to women because it signifies that you're not complacent or passive about your future. Women are often drawn to individuals who exude a sense of purpose and ambition. Pursuing your goals can boost your self-confidence. Confidence is a highly attractive quality, as it indicates that you believe in yourself and your abilities. When you're confident, you become more comfortable in your own skin, making it easier to connect with others, including women. Having clear goals provides you with a sense of direction in life. This direction can be magnetic to potential partners because it suggests that you have a plan and know where you're headed. It demonstrates that you're not just drifting through life, but actively shaping your future. When you're passionate about your aspirations, you can share your dreams and experiences, making interactions with women more exciting and meaningful. It's an opportunity to connect on a deeper level. Your pursuit of goals can be inspirational to those around you, including women. Your dedication and determination may motivate them to pursue their ambitions as well. Being a source of inspiration can create a strong emotional connection. Setting and actively working towards your goals not only enhances your personal growth and self-esteem but also makes you more appealing to women. Your motivation, confidence, and sense of direction can be highly attractive qualities that draw people towards you. It's an essential aspect of becoming the best version of yourself and cultivating meaningful relationships. Now, let's dive into a crucial aspect of making yourself irresistibly attractive: maintaining your independence. But why is it so important? Let's break it down. Self-assuredness. Independence is a powerful indicator of self-assuredness. When you're truly independent, it means you're comfortable in your own skin. You're not seeking someone else to complete you or fill a void in your life. This level of self-confidence is undeniably attractive. It communicates that you're whole and secure within yourself, and you bring that positivity into any relationship. Freedom to thrive. Independence also grants you the freedom to thrive as an individual. You're not held back by the fear of losing someone or changing your life entirely for them. This freedom allows you to pursue your passions, interests, and personal growth without constraints. It's about maintaining your unique identity within a relationship, which enriches your interactions and keeps the sparks alive. Healthy boundaries. Independence goes hand in hand with setting healthy boundaries. You understand what you're comfortable with and what you're not. This clarity ensures that you engage in relationships where both parties respect each other's needs and individuality. Healthy boundaries promote trust, which is the cornerstone of strong and lasting connections. Enhanced attractiveness. Independence adds a unique layer of attractiveness. It's the ability to love and share your life with someone without losing yourself in the process. This balance between togetherness and independence is a magnetic quality that captivates others. You become the kind of partner who complements someone's life rather than completes it. Now, it's time to take action. Reflect on your own level of independence and consider how you can further nurture it. What passions or interests have you set aside? How can you strengthen your self-assuredness? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let's continue this empowering conversation. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights, and ring the notification bell, so you never miss an opportunity to become the best version of yourself. Thanks for watching, and remember, your journey to becoming irresistibly attractive starts now.